What up, everybody? So here I am again. I think this is the third video of trying to get this thing done. I did get a new radiator. Took a while because of the coronavirus. So other than that, got that. I'm here going to be draining some radiator fluid that I put in. Try to get that done, and then we'll get the radiator out and see if we can get her started up and running today. Kind of missing my truck since I'm pushing my wheelchair back and forth to work all the time. I'm kind of getting tired of that. Well, it's not so much tiring, but you know, I have a pressure sore on my right side, and that's kind of causing me some issues. But other than that, everything seems to be going pretty good. Can't sit in my wheelchair for very long, so that's kind of a drag. But I do have a new cushion coming, and I believe once I get that, this pressure sore will probably heal up within about 3 or 4 days. So other than that, everything's all up and going. We're rocking. So let's get to going and draining some fluid here. So you can't see, but I got a drain pan underneath there. Got some cardboard out. Make sure nothing's going to go wrong. Alright, as you guys can see down in here, there's my little drain plug. We're going to take that out and start draining some fluid. Here's the drain plug. Here's the drain plug. There we go. Check. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of dark, but she's draining all crazy. Woo! Had to go and change the shirt. Challenge Athlete Foundation. You'll see me wear this shirt a lot in my videos. I do it on purpose because I want you guys to see Challenge Athlete Foundation. They helped me get a racing wheelchair, which I'll be start racing here soon because I just purchased new wheels. I have a video about goals that's going to be coming out, so hopefully you'll like that. So matter at hand, I gotta take the shroud and stuff off. Let's get to that. Got my little Milwaukee tool, which I like. Boop, boop, you know. Alright, first things first, let's get these little bolts off here. Alright. Oh, that's right, that's a different size. Oh, different size. Gotta get the different size, but that's okay. We'll keep going. There's one. Alright, there's two. We get the rest by hand. Alright, got my 5 screws out for the shroud. Let's go pull that out. And we're ready to rock. I forgot about this damn hose. There we go. the wrong wrench because I just don't have the right. I just don't have the right one. It is so freaking hard. This radiator out. Bam! Right? One try. That was a bitch. There's the new radiator. Got plastic sides, but it'll get me going until I can get this radiator, until I can get this radiator fixed, because I want to put that one back in. Aluminum sides, oh man, that's choice. Alright, so I just got to try to get it fixed. I cross-thread it. I cross-thread it, the top one right there. So if I can get that fixed, we'll put that one right back in. Hell yes! I got that, all those lines in, didn't cross-thread anything, got everything in. Oh, all I have to do is put on that shroud on the top, and then that's it. So let's go get those that shroud in, and we're ready to rock. Alright, shroud, my bolts. Alright. Yeah, off to the other side. Woohoo, there we go. Radiator fluid. And let's start her up. Let's cross our fingers. Ooh, hope to die nothing goes wrong in the world. But I think I got it this time. So I had to run down and get some radiator fluid. With the coronavirus going on, one store was closed. Found another one that was a little bit further away. was able to get some radiator fluid from them. So all I'll do is just get a little bit more in her, and then we'll be able to start her up. Alright, so let's see what we can do. Gotta slowly let her fill up. Alright, moment of truth. Let's give her a start. See if she'll leak anywhere or anything like that. Alright, let's pray. Let's pray. Come on, baby. Alright, there you go. She's running. No leaks. Alright, did it, man. What the fuck? Woo! I'm so happy, man. It makes me so proud. All by myself. What the hell? That's so nice. Oh yeah, just gotta put the air cleaner on. Put the air cleaner on, clean her up a bit. She'll be back on the road. Woohoo! Vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a success for me. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Peace!